Good morning, students. Take out your English book, communicate in English. Now we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter number 3. Title is The Kids Club. Okay. Take page number 29. Tick the correct answer. Bharat apartment had 7 floors, 12 floors, 4 floors. Bharat apartment had 12 floors. So, mark it as here 12. 12 floors. Sanaya didn't like the staircase because the staircase were difficult to climb, dark and dirty, narrow and steep. See, it is dark and dirty. So, mark it as dark and dirty. Next third question. Who began the game of ringing doorbells and running away? Gautam, Sanaya, Saif. Gautam. Next. Uncle Venu scolded the children because it is rude to disturb people. He was a doctor. The bell rang loudly. It is rude to disturb people. Next. The story is about a dangerous staircase. 3 children who have no place to play. A building called Bharat apartment. 3 children who have no place to play. That is the story here. Okay, so mark it as. Next, 6th question. At the end of the story, the children find a place to play, do not have a place to play, do not want to play at all. Find a place to play. Okay, next Roman letter B and C. I will give the PDF. Okay, copy it in your notebook. Next, Roman letter E. We sometimes shorten words by leaving out a few letters and putting in a mark in their place. Write the short form of the following. You will. How you call the you will? How will you say it? You'll. Okay? You'll. You need to use here apostrophe here. Okay? And do it the short form. You will. How will you say it is? You'll. Okay. Next. I will. I'll. I double L apostrophe need to use here. Okay. I will. I'll. Next. They will. They'll. Use apostrophe. Next. What will? Use apostrophe. What will? How will you say this? What? Okay. Next. Match the words that go together. Fluffy here, clouds. So mark it as cloud. Fluffy clouds. Sandy desert. Loud voices. Wooden doors. Cotton clothes. Okay. Next, see, fluffy clouds, sandy desert, loud voices, wooden doors, cotton clothes. Okay, children. Next, Roman letter G. The long I sound in words like sight is spelled with an I in the middle and an E at the end. Fill in the blanks to complete the words. So now we are going to use in the blanks I and E only. Okay. Sanaya is flying a kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Never bite, B-I-T, never bite into a lime, L-I-M-E, lime, it will be sour. Lime is here sour taste. Okay, next, I saw 5 little mice hiding in a pile of pipes. Okay, next, those 9 N-I-N-E, 9 shirts on the line are mine. Those 9 shirts on the line are mine. The two sides, S-I-D-E-S. Here we are using the first underline, we are using I, and the last underline we are using the E at the end of E. Okay, so I am using like that of the white, W-I-C. Here end is already given E. White road have trees. The two sides of the white road have trees. Okay, next, grammar part. Roman letter H. Fill in the blanks with is or. Okay, where we are going to is and or. We are using is for singular. Okay, singular, and we need to use or for plural. Okay, next, see here Gautam and Sanaya, 2 children are here, so this is plural. Now we are going to use or here. Okay, Gautam and Sanaya are, okay, helping the gardener plant marigold seeds. Okay, next, the seeds it's singular or plural? See, S-E-E-D, seed is singular, seeds is plural. Okay, so we are going to use or here. The seeds are in the pocket. Okay, next, the spade is singular. A spade is a tool you use to dig the soil. Okay, the gardener is singular, so we need to use is digging small holes in the soil. Sanaya is one girl, so singular. Sanaya is putting the seeds in the holes. Next, Gautam is covering the holes with soil. The children is here belongs to plural. Okay, now we are going to use here or. The children are gently pouring water over the seed in the soil. Next, Roman letter I. Make sentence about this picture. Use verbs from the boxes. See here given the verbs. Okay, this is was, were. This is yesterday, past tense. Okay, was, were, past tense. This is present tense. Present tense. Okay, now we are going to use these verbs. Yesterday was, were. Today am, is. Okay, was using for singular and were using for plural. Okay, next, am using for singular. Okay, before the I we need to use. Okay, next, is using for, it is also singular, is using he, she, it, we are using is. I using for am. Okay, now shall we make one sentence here? Was. Here I use was. Okay, my grandfather was going to the market. So you do it the second sentence, you make it yourself, that is the homework. Okay, use the was and were. Okay, here given the example of where Rupa and Nedu were talking. Okay, that yeah, you say like this also, the children were talking. Okay, that is also a good sentence here. Next, today, am. Here I am running to catch the bus. I use here I am running to catch the bus here. Okay, you just use I am a leader. Yeah, write the simple sentence, I am a teacher, like that. You use like this also. Okay, next is Sudha is singing very sweetly. Yeah, you use like that. Sudha dancing very well. Sudha is dancing very well. Okay, Sudha is, I use here, Sudha is singing very sweetly. I use here is. Okay. Okay, children, you do it. You try it yourself to use this verb. Okay. Next. Fill in the blanks with where, was, or am. I told already, were using for past tense, for past tense. Okay, for past tense, and was using for also past tense. This is using singular I before. Okay, Gautam, Sanaya and Saif, this is a plural. Okay, where, so we are using here where both, because they had nowhere to play. It was, okay, it was naughty of them to have troubled their neighbors. Later they, here they is plural. Okay, so I am using where here. Later they were sorry for their behavior. Each of them went to their neighbors and said, I use for am. I am sorry for troubling you. Next, Roman letter K. Sanaya, Saif and Gautam wanted to apologize to all their neighbors. What do you think the neighbors said in reply? Fill in the speech bubbles for all of them. Use phrase. Here phrase was given. What are the phrase words here? I am sorry. I apologize. Please forgive us. So naughty. Don't do it again. These are phrases here. Now we are going to use these phrases to make a sentence. Okay, to make a. Okay, see, uncle saying it was really naughty. I use this naughty for uncle. Okay, it was really naughty of you to have disturbed everyone in the building. Uncle saying. Next, he is saying, I am sorry for ringing your bell. I use I am sorry. This I am sorry I use for Saif. Okay, I am sorry for ringing your doorbell. Next, I use here forgive. Please forgive us. I use here. Okay, yes, we know. Please forgive us. And Sanaya saying I apology. Okay, I use here apology word. I apology for being naughty. Next, auntie saying remember, don't do it again. Okay, copy it in your book. Okay, children, I have completed this chapter exercise. Thank you.